Heather,
Yes.
what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is broccoli.
Pass it.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pineapple. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is ice cream. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Okay, now let's stop here. So this is Circle Challenge, a game that most of you know. Don't hesitate to check it out. Otherwise, let's put a twist on Circle Challenge, okay? Let's pass the current. Let's pass electricity. Everybody, electricity. So, let's have two teams. Team number one. Well, 1, 2, 3. Team number 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's see who can pass the current the fastest. Okay, Mom, can you step forward a little bit? Thank you. So, when I say go, I'll ask, what's your favorite food?
Okay,
And when we get at the end of the line, when you answer, you raise your hand. Okay. First team wins. Okay, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Oh! Okay, and now let's go from here to here. Okay.
Same question?
And no, not a different question.
Okay.
Here, simple examples. Of course, you can use a lot of questions, a lot of answers for these games. They are universal games. So let's do just a simple. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? I'm feeling great.
I'm feeling great.
I'm feeling so-so.
I'm feeling so-so.
Choose it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. The electricity was faster here. Perfect. Enjoy everyone. Bye.
Bye.